Imagine driving through a natural tunnel of trees, light flickering through the leaves, and then suddenly the world just seems to open up. You aren't in a typical suburban neighborhood anymore. You're looking at the sparkling waters of the Ross Barnett Reservoir. Welcome to the town of Lost Rabbit. I'm Donna Taylor, and if you are finding me for the first time on YouTube, it's probably because you're looking to relocate to Central Mississippi. You've likely heard about Madison's top-rated schools, Madison's safe, manicured streets, but today I'm taking you somewhere that feels worlds apart, to Lost Rabbit. It isn't just a subdivision, it's a traditional neighborhood development, or a T&D. It's a town within a town, designed for people who want a lifestyle, not just a floor plan. So be sure to stay tuned to the very end of this video because I'm going to take you inside two completely different worlds. A sleek, modern town center penthouse and a brand new construction single family home. Before we go down the rabbit hole, let's talk about the why. So why is everyone moving to Madison, Mississippi? As a broker, I've helped dozens of families, including 5 in the last 2 months alone, that are relocating here for the growing tech and industrial hubs, like the massive Amazon facility nearby, or one of Jackson's large hospitals, especially UMC, which is our teaching hospital. Madison is consistently ranked as one of the best places to live in the South. We are known for our strict architectural standards, why everything looks so beautiful here. We have great parks, we have top-notch school system that is second to none in the state. But for those of us who do live here, it's really about the community. It's the safety. It's the fact that you can actually know your neighbors. And when you want the absolute best that Madison can offer, you come to the res. You can see it behind me. It's the 33,000 acre man-made lake that Lost Rabbit is situated on. So what makes Lost Rabbit truly special is it's what I call anti-cookie cutter neighborhood. In many nicer developments in Madison, every house looks slightly different version from the one next door to it, but not here. Our little bit of a hilly terrain, which Central Mississippi is mostly flat, but we do have a little bit of a hilly terrain here. We have architectural standards though that you just won't find anywhere else in the state, from colorful Charleston style row houses with the blue porch ceilings to sophisticated industrial chic condos like the one behind me in the town center, that every street tells a different story. Currently in the market, Lost Rabbit has 19 active listings today, ranging in price from $435,000 to $1.9 million for a sprawling waterfront estate. Whether you're looking for zero lot line style homes that frees you from yard work on the weekend, or a huge property with great views all around, or a beautiful waterfront property with the best views in all of Madison, Lost Rabbit has a seat at the table for you. And speaking of our views, because of the unique hilly topography in Lost Rabbit, it really does offer some of the most dramatic sunrises and sunsets in the region. There is something about the way the light hits the res from our elevation that really makes every evening feel like a vacation. One of the biggest draws for my clients is the walkability of Lost Rabbit. You can park your car on a Friday evening and not touch it again till Monday morning. Now, there's not several shops or restaurants like some of the larger towns, but this is the only neighborhood in Madison with a town center. In our town center, everything is a 3-minute walk away. So you can grab a cocktail or dinner at the Rabbit Hole. You can spend the morning pampering at Belladerma Spa, or you can pick up your essentials at the general store. We also have a new venue here, the Velveteen venue, for private weddings and events. And for my fitness enthusiasts, I'm so excited to announce that in May 2026, we are opening the Borough Fitness Center. This is going to be a boutique style workout space right here in the neighborhood. So imagine finishing your workout and walking straight to the marina behind me to see the boats. And maybe you go on a nice dinner sunset cruise. Now, as promised, let's look at the range of what's available. So right now, I am standing on one of the balconies of the penthouse that was just listed for $879. It is 3 bedroom, 3 bath, 2,800 square feet. Let's step inside and check it out. Okay, so let's check out unit 431. This is the 3rd floor penthouse. So this is the top floor of the building. You immediately walk into a large open concept living room and kitchen complete with refrigerator, gas cooktop, a walk-in pantry, very industrial, modern feel. There is a dining room here. Beautiful views of the marina off this balcony. Down this hallway is one of the 3 bedrooms. Same tile and ceilings throughout. Another balcony with a great view of the marina. And it opens to a large bathroom with 2 sinks, a beautiful separate soaking tub and shower. This is the water closet here. And there is a large closet. Then it opens to the other closet, which can be locked off through the other bathroom, which is basically a mirror image of the other, and a large bedroom overlooking the back side of the property. Again, there's great views from these windows here of what will be the rest of the town center. The cool thing about this one is this is the door to the elevator here that takes you straight down to your dedicated garage. And in the back of the house, a small beverage center with ice maker and sink. Room here to add your wine closet. And then a guest bedroom and bathroom. Again, the same finishes throughout. They didn't skimp on any of the finishes. And it loops back through to the living room, but first, a really large laundry and storage spot here. So we'll walk through this way for one last look. Okay, so let's check out 132 Water Street. This house is 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths. It's listed for $599,000. I love the floor plan on this one and the soft tones inside as opposed to the bright white. So you walk into a small foyer area, a nice sized living room. Open to the kitchen with the dining space tucked around the corner. Nice large island, gas cooktop and refrigerator is open to the screened-in porch. But immediately on the front of the home, there is private bathroom. Love the tile in this house, all the way to the ceiling. And then a small bedroom or an office overlooking the street. There is a small closet here for your coats. Not that we need them very often here, but just in case. Another thing about this house that I really like is the pantry. It's got a small spot here for maybe your coffee maker or appliances, but then it actually has a nice sized walk-in pantry with a door that you can close off. So here's the view from this angle. Love the lights in this space. Down the hall, there is the laundry to the left with a sink, plenty of cabinets and space for a large washer and dryer. And then the primary straight across here. These are engineered oak floors. Large bathroom. The shower is immediately to the left. I love the tile work here, which is also around the mirrors. Small water closet with the cabinet above and separate tub. Really nice size walk-in closet with built-ins. So coming out of the primary, there's a drop zone here with the door to the garage, 2-car garage And then the staircase upstairs where there are 2 more bedrooms and a bath. Let's check those out really quickly. There's a bedroom to the left and a bedroom to the right with the bathroom in the middle. So here's the bedroom on the right side. Same flooring as downstairs, so no carpet in this home. Nice large vanity. So back down the hallway, here's the view from this angle. Let's check out the patio in the yard. So there is a screened in patio here with a ceiling fan. Love the wood detail on the ceiling. So all of these homes, generally speaking in Lost Rabbit, are very small because we do have a lot of green space, very low maintenance. So this is your side of the yard to maintain here with an exit in the front by that gate and the rear as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's tour of Lost Rabbit. And remember, I'm your realtor here with boots on the ground. I'll post a link in the comments with everything currently on the market in Lost Rabbit. But if you're watching this and you didn't see exactly what you want, that's okay, because there are 2 other options. I currently have some great water view lots listed for sale. So if building your perfect home is your dream, reach out to me. I can help you with that. And I also have access to properties that never hit the market. There are some that are just now being built that might sell before they ever hit the market. So if it's not available right this minute, call me. I'll put you on my list to contact when it is. Thanks, and see you on the next video.